Life is already full, and that's not a limitation. It's an invitation to shape the world around you. Friends can be family, work can feel like play. Every choice can feel like it belongs. Because creating a life you love isn't about changing who you are. It's about honoring what matters most. Choose to be a part of something bigger. Live out your values and find others who move the same way. Choose what's trusted, not just what's trending. Put care into action and choose to show up in big ways and small ones. Look for paths that fit your life as it is. No reset required. Because balance isn't about doing less. It's about choosing how you invest in you. Say yes to opportunities that fit and watch what happens.